Hey everyone, Ramal here, and today is going to be a very quick video. This is going to be the unboxing of the TC Helicon GOXLR mixer. I know I said I was going to have the review video out, but I wanted to spend a little bit more time to really show you guys how I use it on my stream, as well as all of my settings, and a proper review with the Rode Procaster. So I'm going to take a little bit more time to work on that, and this is kind of just part 2, I guess, the unboxing of the GOXLR, since I did the Procaster last time. Again, sorry for the short video. I promise the review will hopefully be informative for you guys and worth the wait. But yeah, here's the unboxing. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know it was a short one, but I promise I want to spend a little bit more time to do a proper review video on the Procaster, as well as the TC Helicon GOXLR mixer, and make sure that I cover everything and make it informative for you guys. If you guys want to see it in action and haven't followed me on Twitch yet, my Twitch is twitch.tv/forbiddenx. I stream every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. I do also have a few more videos planned regarding my streaming setup and what it's been like over the couple months that I've been streaming. And also I do have a build video coming up that I'm going to be working on this weekend with a friend of mine. We're building his first gaming PC, and it's going to be based off of the 3800X as well as the 5700 XT. So stay tuned for that. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I am out.